Hello everyone, I decided to film another vlog today. It's about 1:05 and me and my sister are going to go for his nails doing. Well, I'm having mine taken off but she's having hers redone. My sister's name is Jasmine, by the way, I don't think I've mentioned that. It's also raining pretty badly, so let's hope my hair and makeup doesn't get ruined. I don't know if you can see it that well in the camera, but it's coming down pretty fast. I'm guessing we'll be setting off pretty soon, so I need to go put my shoes on if she's ready, that is. Yeah. Can I come in?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'm sorry, it's Larry.
What? You're not even ready yet?
Are you filming for YouTube?
Yes.
I've got really slow and I've been filming a video because I thought you'd be ages. I'm not going to be long off
Excuse me. I said I'd be ready.
Excuse me.
So I'm ready. I'm actually ready, like...
Saffron, you're going to give me a heart attack being ready this fast. What are you doing on him?
Another person almost gave me an heart attack.
Postman giving you a heart attack? No way. Get me behind the scenes, get ready.
I know, behind the scenes of
I
Jasmine.
feel naked.
Naked.
I got no eyelashes. It's all gone. Come on in. Come on in down here. Hey. Hello. Hey. Hello. How you doing?
So.
Black matches everything. Come into this small humble abode.
Jasmine's bedroom.
Hang on a minute. No. This mess is not the usual. I'm telling you.
Yeah,
normally
right.
it is pristine in here. You
Really?
know it is.
Really?
You know it's pristine. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna end up needing I can't even talk. Going to end up needing to go to the toilet again before you finished.
If you don't film yourself going to the toilet.
No. Why would I film myself going to the toilet?
I know, Saffron, because it's you.
Yes, I'm just gonna go to the toilet. No.
Saffron, you film everything. You film everything.
Not me going to the toilet. I film you. I'm filming you like this close.
Hello. You're gonna get my imperfections.
What imperfections? Your skin's like not even...
Oh, I'm gonna call Vogue.
You went well, boss, I did.
Oh yeah.
We'll sit in the back with me then.
Leaning. Does he not know the meaning of negotiable things?
Hurry up, man. My hair's pretty good. Oh, no, I want to get in.
Oh yeah. Thank you. How much is that?
$4.90, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm getting out this time.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
They're open, sesame. They're open, sesame.
I'm just a purple on that too.
I want everyone likes that with pink uniforms. I want a pink uniform. Guys, I don't know.
Which side am I getting in at?
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it's really fun.
I can't even open the car.
Is it in front of her?
Car? Are you sure? Thank you.
I can't do it, Jack.
Is this just for me?
I'm already.
After all the great times, I just want Mark's done it, isn't it?
Okay, get out. We're having a bit of a moment of silence for your sandwich there.
Okay. It's nice.
You know I'm going to put that on YouTube.
You're not.
I am. Haha. No! Don't slip, don't slip, don't slip, don't slip. Oh. Come on, Jasmine, your turn. I don't run like that. Close up on the sandwich eating.
Hey guys, so I've been at home for a while now. I'm just watching some YouTube. I don't know if you can hear, but it's pointless blog on at the moment. Then I'm gonna edit my daily vlog from yesterday because I didn't get a chance to do that because it got too late. So I'm just gonna do that and I'll see you later. I'm gonna end the vlog here now because it's getting late and I don't really see anything exciting happening. So I'm just gonna carry on editing this vlog and just chill because there's nothing really gonna happen in the next, I don't know, till I go to bed I guess. So good night and I'll see you in another video or vlog thing. Bye!